My name is Vanessa. I am an emergency medicine doctor and I'm from New York. Well, I'm part of the Empire Medical Training. I'm a member and I went to the previous course, the first course that they did outside of the US in Colombia in February. They was advertised that this was going to happen and I couldn't wait to come. I love the hands-on because I feel like when we go to class, we don't have that much time to do that much hands-on. Here we have multiple patients where we can inject and just loosen up. I felt great coming back because when I left home after coming from Colombia, I felt more comfortable with Botox. I was like, okay, I can do this. You're gonna learn from multiple providers that are been practicing there's people that were practicing for 20 years and learned something coming here. Taught me that you learn something every day regardless of how much experience you have. Collaborating with people from different countries, different techniques, different tips. The lectures are not boring. It's very entertaining, very engaging. Besides the hands-on, just getting all this information from different angles, different ways of seeing things, different off-label practices. They were all amazing, like learning things that we, even as a professional doctor, you don't really learn about. And you see them and you hear them. They've been practicing for X amount of years. And we're like, oh, even if you've been practicing for that same amount of years, you're learning something else that they, do every day.